Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny, and today we will be reviewing this. Hey, a bit of shake, huh? Alright, this wireless earbud, which I recently bought from Shopee, from the recent 11/11 promotion. Alright, so let's go into it. Get my scissors, and then snip, snip, snip. Alright. Nice. Actually, I quite like, speaking of all this kind of unboxing, like today I'll be doing this unboxing, I actually quite like when, sellers, they actually use this kind of, paper type of packaging is make it very easy, to open. Alright, okay. Now, that was very quick. So this is from this brand called Haylou, right? And the brand is called GT1 Pro True Wireless Earbud. Now, when I got from Shopee, alright, the listed price of Shopee was $69 actually. And then they slashed it down to about $22. After I put it in cart, I added all the Shopee vouchers, the shop vouchers. I redeemed the Shopee point. It came down to about $16, right? So from $69 all the way to $16. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very nicely packed. Okay, so over here there are some information, and we can see on the one side of the box it is IPX. Not sure you can see. Yep, IPX5. Okay, so it has some water resistance, some level of water resistance. Alright, it has 25 hours of battery life. It has battery display. It has smart touch. Wireless 5.0 for the Bluetooth. Okay, and then on the other side, you can see more information. Okay, over here. Alright, it says that, okay, I'm getting to focus. Alright, now the charging takes about 1.5 hours. Working time is about 3.5 hours. Okay, right. Okay, there's the parameters. Okay, charging about 300. Okay, now the earbud has about 100 ampere, and the charging case about 800 ampere. So that would means about 8 times of charging. Okay, let's get inside. Okay. Let's remove the plastic casing. Okay. Nicely packed. Oh, I missed out one thing. They have actually also got a QR code at the side. Okay, whereby you can actually go to the official website. Okay, if you want, you can scan this. Okay, and go in. Okay. It's one of the few that whereby I see that they actually have a proper they have actually got a QR code. Alright, so let's get inside. Open up that side. So once you remove the top cover, you will see a black cardboard box. So how do I open this? Okay, here, open the lid. Nice, I like this. Ooh, very slick packaging. It's black in color, so is this. Right, you can see here. And then let's see what else is inside. Okay, you have this black box, this long rectangular box. Let's open up and see what is inside. Okay. Oops, something fell out. Alright, so these are the ear tips, the spare ear tips. Then this should be the charging cable. Let's see what they are using. Okay, so they are using micro USB. Alright, and the other end is USB-A. Okay, so let's put this aside. Right, let's put this aside. The box aside. Now let's see what else is inside. Oh, it's foam. Nice. Sponge foam to protect. Alright, so this one is the instruction manual. Alright, let's see what languages is it in. Nice, it's in both English on one end and Chinese on the other end. Very nice, very nice. Right, so let's put all this back. Close the lid. Right, put it aside. because this is what we are after. Ta-da! Okay, so let's remove this thing. I like the plastic sound. It's a very good quality plastic. Nice. Thumbs up to Haylou. Alright. So here we have it. Okay. So this is, you can see here. Okay, I think the reflection from the light is making it very hard to focus. But you see, like the brand is kind of like lasered on the top cover here. It's a very nice matte finish at the top. Okay, and then there's a little bit of groove here, which is shiny. Alright, and then after that, it's matte. Very nice. And then at the back is the micro USB charging. Okay, charging port. Alright. So far I haven't seen the earbud. I think it should be inside. So let's flip open. Oh, okay. It's inside. Oh, and something amazing, if you didn't notice. Now when I close it, just now there were no LED light, but the moment I flip it up, the LED light came on. Nice. Okay, one thing about this is that it doesn't have any LED indication. Okay, there's no number indication. So this is a very good indicator. So it actually came full charge. Very nice. Wow, really thumbs up, you know, full charge. Alright. So the casing itself, very solid. And let me do a comparison with a Xiaomi Redmi. Alright, so I have a Xiaomi Redmi here. Okay. So you can do a comparison. It's quite similar, just that the Haylou is a little bit larger, a little bit longer. Right, if I turn it to the side, it's a little bit taller. Alright, it has a higher bump, as you can see from here. Higher bump, whereas it's thicker, okay, and longer. Okay, so the inside is also different. Okay, let me just open up the lid so they can have a look at the inside. Okay, turn it around. So it's different as well. Okay, you can see from here. The layout is different. Okay, the Hongmi one is facing down. The Haylou one is facing to the side. Okay, so that's all for the comparison. Okay, let's take out the earbud. Okay, nice. It hasn't charged yet. There's actually a plastic cover here to prevent. That's very nice, very thoughtful. So let's remove that. Okay. Remove this as well. Alright. So it has indication. So this is right. You can see from here. And then this is left. Okay. First impression, very simple, very minimalist. Alright, the earbuds actually. Alright. So let's see if it charges. Okay, good, it charges. Alright, so it starts charging immediately the moment you put it in. Right, so it will, when it's charging, it will turn red. Okay, when you close the lid, the LED, the white LED, the 4 dots, the 4 indication will pop up. Okay, to show you that it's actually still at full charge. And then inside is actually charging. Alright. But the thing is that, one thing to take note is that the top cover is not translucent. So as you can see from here, alright, you can't really see any writing on my mat. Okay, so it's actually opaque, it's not translucent. So that's one thing to take note whenever you want to see whether your earbuds are they fully charged. You need to open up to see, oh, red color still charging. Okay, that means I can't use it. Close it back. Okay, like this. Okay, so even though it's charging, okay, let's see how easy it is, all right, to actually connect to any phone. All right, so let's see how easy it is to connect to any phone. So I have my phone here. Let me off the Bluetooth first. All right, let me take out the earbud and let's see if it can connect on one end. All right, so you can see from here it's blinking white color. Okay, blinking, and there you go. You see this one. Tap on it. It's pairing. And communicate. Da 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 da. Pair. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in. It's paired now. I'll take out the other one. Put it in. Now both sides are paired. I'm gonna go to Spotify. Just gonna play any music. Very, very nice. The music's playing right now through the earbud. Cool. Very cool. Right. Okay, so pairing experience is pretty good on my first impression, the unboxing. Alright, so now over the next couple of weeks, I will actually be testing out this earpiece, this wireless earbud, to see, how is it like, whether is it worth, buying it, alright, whether is it worthwhile for you to actually invest, about the money, alright. Let's just see how much it costs. Again, okay, whether is it worth, spending $22, or $16, like, which is what I paid for. Okay, so so thank you very much for watching, and if you like my video, do like it, subscribe it, that would do a lot. Okay, and share the video, and I'll see you next time.